How do you repair cracked plaster? If you have ever noticed cracks in your plaster walls, you might be wondering how to fix them without losing the charm of your antique home. Repairing cracked plaster is a skill that can help maintain the beauty of your space. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, take a close look at the crack. Is it a hairline crack or something larger? Hairline cracks are usually just surface issues. Larger cracks might mean there are deeper problems, like the plaster separating from the wooden slats behind it. Next, prepare the area around the crack. Use a utility knife or scraper to remove any loose plaster. This step is essential for ensuring that the repair materials stick properly. After that, vacuum the area to get rid of any dust and debris. For very small cracks, it can be helpful to widen them slightly. This might seem odd, but it allows the repair compound to bond better. If you can see the wooden lath, check if it is loose. If it is, re-nail any loose pieces to create a stable base for the new plaster. Lightly mist the lath with water to keep it from twisting when you apply the new plaster. Now it's time to choose your repair material. For small cracks, a pre-mixed plaster repair compound or joint compound that matches the original plaster texture works well. For larger holes, you might need a base coat plaster mixed with lime putty or a perlite-based base coat. Avoid using plaster of Paris alone, as it tends to shrink and crack. When applying the repair compound, press it firmly into the crack with a putty knife or trowel. For larger holes, apply the plaster in layers. Start with a scratch coat, then a brown coat, and finally a finish coat. Make sure to let each layer dry before applying the next one. After the repair compound is completely dry, sand the surface with fine grit sandpaper. This helps blend the repair with the surrounding plaster. Be careful not to oversand, as this can damage the original surface. Finally, apply a primer suitable for plaster before painting. This step seals the repair and ensures that the paint adheres evenly. Choose paint colors that match the original wall to keep the antique look intact. When working on antique plaster, it is essential to maintain the original composition. Modern compounds may not match the texture or breathability of traditional materials. If the damage is extensive, consider consulting a professional who specializes in historic restoration. This ensures that the repair respects the craftsmanship of the original work. By following these steps, you can effectively repair cracked plaster while preserving the character of your antique home. Happy repairing!